Hello, I'm Jay from Volunteer Audio. I'm taking a little break from working on a bike to make a video and tell you about our week 6 winner. $250 for our Rider Build of the Week promotion. Watch the video. I'm gonna let you know who won and tell you how you can win $250 next week to help with the build on your bike. First off, let me tell you a little bit about some other promotions still currently going. Not only are we giving away $250 in honor of the 250th anniversary of the United States, we're doing this every week for the rest of 2026. In the month of April, we still have some amazing sales going on our audio. $100 off most SoundStream radios, 20% off Hertz audio. Titan 8 batteries are still on sale for a few days from Excess Power. SoundSkins is running a promotion as well, 15% off on their SoundSkins kits. But we're also giving 10% of all of our gross sales to a printing ministry, printing New Testament Bibles, whole Bibles, sending them all around the world, giving them to missionaries free of charge. But I want to tell you a little bit more about this Rider Build of the Week and how you can enter. This is week 6. This is very simple, and if you really want to get in on this, you don't have to do anything hard. All I want you to do is tell me about something you already want to do. Tell me about your bike. Show off pictures of your bike and tell me why you ride and what you want to do to your bike in 2026 to make that ride even better. Now, I've got a winner here who has given me a story. They've shared about why they ride and why they want to continue to upgrade their bike and get this $250 to go toward it. Now, I've told you, it's not a particular story I'm looking after or looking out for. I just want your story. And somebody from my team every week is going to read through those stories and pick a winner. This week, this comes from our data team. So all the people that work in our photography and our online, the videographer that's standing behind that camera, they looked and picked somebody this week. And I read over it. I think they did a great job. So before I go in and tell you about their story, I want you right now, I want you to comment below. I want you to share pictures of your bike. I want you to tell me what you want to do to it this year and share your story with me. Also, use the link above, go to volunteeraudio.com and put your information in there. I need your name, your phone number, your email, because I got to tell you when you won, what you won, and how you're going to use it. There you'll also be asked to share a screenshot of that comment you've done and also upload those pictures of your bike. It's very simple. It doesn't cost anything. We just want to know about you, about your story, and then we're going to help you. But let's get into this week's winner. Week 6 winner, you're going to enter for week 7. We'll announce that at the end of this coming week. All right, so let's start with the story. I'll give you the name a little ways in. It says, I just picked up my new 2026 Road Glide CVOST. After having a 2019 Street Glide with an 8-speaker volunteer audio system, I already miss being able to hear my music at any speed. Now, those new CVOSTs, we've got 2, actually bought a 3rd one, and our friends at Hertz got it from us. They come with the HD Audio by Rockford CVO system. Has the 500 watt amp and the 6.5 cent fairing, and they are lacking in volume compared to what we normally have. He goes on to brag about the 8-speaker system. Says, I also won an audio factory bag competition with my previous setup. I plan to build a 4-speaker mid and high system on this bike with enough power and some power left over to run the drop-in subs whenever they're released. I've been waiting on these since the first video. Let me give you an update. First off, thank you all for watching. And I try to update you on things like the drop-in subs as often as I can, but I don't want to give you false hope and wrong information. My friends that are building this enclosure are on their way. They're going to leave on April 13th. They're going to the manufacturer that's building the enclosure for us, and they're going to do final testing on it. Putting it in a bag with lids, with 6x9s, making sure everything clears, listening to it, making sure it's as awesome as the prototypes that we've all tested and seen so far. They're going to come back on the 23rd, so I got a 10-day window that they're going to be testing, signing off, getting them into production. Everything's going to be good to go. And then we're going to start hopefully shipping these in May. Now, I know I've given timelines before that didn't work out, but we're past all those hurdles. And I expect by the end of April to have a set of them here, be able to video and show you the final part, start doing our step-by-step install videos, showing you how loud they are with meters and such, and sharing that information and launching orders. So going into May, we expect to have for the 24 and up body style or 23 and a half and up body style bags, the drop-in enclosures. They tell me once these are being made that we're hopefully within 30 days of having the 14 to 23 bag version as well. So a little update. I know you're waiting on those subs. You say since the first video, I wanted to fill you in. It says, my wife and I like to hit the road and get away from normal day-to-day life. She is a disabled veteran with PTSD, and riding is an escape for her and us both. We've been married almost 17 years and enjoy spending time with just us. Starting over with this build, I already have lots of plans. I plan to improve the exhaust, the lighting, overall comfort while still keeping the performance bagger feel. We have a ride plan this year starting in North Carolina up to Maine and stopping through Laconia on the way back, and want to do it in style and comfort, and of course while hearing our music for the entire trip. Says we'll be also adding exhaust soon, as well as handlebars and risers. Now on your CVO-ST, again, I've got two. I had three. We're going to get another one soon. That bike's awesome. That's an amazing bike. I love the style. I love the look. I know you're going to love your new bike, but we got to get that audio upgraded. Our Hertz amplifier with our A to B interface. Again, in the month of April, they're on sale 20% off. You're saving $300 on that interface as well. It's about $800 off. I know when we add this $250, it's going to be way more than affordable, especially if you had an 8-speaker system previously. This 4-speaker sounds better than anything we've ever done. The DSP tuning is on point. Everything is built perfectly for this bike, and it's amazing how loud and clear it is. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all going from the 8 speakers to the 4, but as you mentioned, by running 4 speakers, that same 1,000-watt RMS amp that's in your fairing will be able to power those drop-in subwoofers, which takes it to a whole different level. You can't get sub bass out of a 6x9 or an 8-inch mid. It just can't be done, and those 10s are going to really make you happy. Now, on to the name. Everybody's wondering, who won? Who won this? Well, Justin Ivy. Justin Ivy, you are the winner of this week, week 6 of our Rider Build of the Week giveaway. $250 is going to be credited to you. We're going to create an account if you don't already have it on our website, and we'll be reaching out to you later today, letting you know you won. Also going over with you your bike and your build and making sure you get everything you wanted for it. Don't forget about Chromeworks exhaust. That Obsidian exhaust, that's the color of the factory CVO-ST exhaust. Well, you know, those factory mufflers are pretty quiet. They don't sound great, but we have Chromeworks slip-ons. They go right on that, the same Obsidian color. And I love those digital, they call it digital camo tips. They look like carbon fiber, and they go great with the theme of that bike. Looking forward to reaching out to you, Justin. Now, the rest of you, I had so many great entries. We looked over so many of them. You have great stories. Put in again. If you've entered before, you know it's easy. Do it again for this next week. You could be the winner. This isn't the first time that Justin put in. They put in several times, and that was another thing that happened with last week's winner. They'd put in several times as well. Continue to share your story, share your pictures, add to it if you have more, and let us pick you next week to be our winner. And I want you to do that by following Volunteer Audio. Subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Facebook so you know when you won. But also, as you know, we're going to share with you amazing Harleys, awesome builds, new products as they come out, and keep you informed on the latest for your Harley-Davidson at volunteeraudio.com. Thank you so much for everything you do. Thank you for watching us, following us, supporting us. Justin, you've bought from us before. I'm so glad I can share with you now. And I love our veterans. Your wife, they give her the respect for our veterans that we have. We couldn't do any of this without the freedoms and the liberties that you risk your life to give us. And we're so thankful for that. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, God bless.